So, have you ever wondered how yawning is one of those things that we just do naturally? We don't really think about it, we don't even really know how it happens sometimes. Sometimes when we're sleepy, when we're bored, we just yawn and that's the end of it. Ever wonder what it is and why we do it? Let's find out. What's yawning? An involuntary reflex in which we open our mouths wide, taking deep breaths of air, and then we exhale. The whole thing, it's a whole procedure of things that happen to us. During it only takes about 5 to 6 seconds. But during that time, our jaw stretches, our eyes might close or water. We take in air into our lungs and then we exhale. That's the entire process. And the funny thing is, not only us, but other vertebrates also yawn. Dogs yawn, cats yawn, birds yawn. It's one thing that most vertebrates have in common. Anywho, we know what yawning is now, but why do we yawn? That's the question, because most people probably knew that yawning was reflex, right? Everybody yawns. Most people can't even stop a yawn, so they know it just happens out of the blue. But most people probably don't know why we yawn. And when I say most people, I mean most people. Till now, scientists are not 100% sure why we yawn. And that's honestly crazy due to the fact that it's so universal, so inbred in us. Every vertebrate, basically. Something that happens to everyone, everywhere. Yet we still don't know why it really happens. There have been a few theories floating around, but let's just talk about three of them. So, one of those theories is that yawning helps bring in more oxygen and remove excess carbon dioxide. Which, honestly, if you think about it, that's probably the first thing most people have thought about. Like, if you walked up on the street and asked somebody, why do you yawn? That's probably the easiest thing they could give because it's so simple minded, so straight to the point. Most people will give that, which is why it was probably the fastest to get debunked. Now, the main theory that's floating around is that when our brain gets a bit too warm from fatigue, from boredom, or just generally being in a warm room, yawning helps to cool our brains down. It circulates blood and brings in cool air from our noses and mouths to help cool down the brain and regulate its temperature. And honestly, that's pretty cool. Then there's this other theory, which me personally, I like this one the best. Because people say that yawning is like a means of changing states or moving from one state to another in the human body. Like when you wake up, you yawn and then you feel a bit refreshed. Or when you're bored, you yawn to indicate boredom. Or right before you're even bored, you yawn